Hi everybody, I hope everybody okay. So today I want to show you how can make a fire without lighter and matches. So let's see how can do it. See, at first I open this potassium paramagnet. You can see that in skin, potassium paramagnet, and this is glycerine. People use this for skin glass glycerine. So let's see, make a fire to use two things. So you can see this glycerine people use in this skin for skin glass. So I add two things and make fire. Let's see. Everybody like, comment, share, subscribe my channel. To see this experiment, what the reaction, you can see this reaction start. See the smoke, and this is the fire. Everybody like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. So I want to share one matter within my life. So one people challenge me, this video will be not viral. So I hope everybody do this video viral and like, share, subscribe. Okay, bye. So see you next video. Okay, everybody, bye.